Good morning, children. Today we are going to cover the second part of the chapter 11, Sunita in Space. In the previous video, we had studied about Sunita Williams' experiences of space. She had described about how Earth looks from space, and according to her, the Earth looks amazingly beautiful from space. The curved shape of the Earth is clear from space. She said, from so far away, one can only make out the land and the sea. He cannot see the countries. If we see a globe and the picture of the real Earth, we will find some differences. The difference is that we will see some lines on the globe, but no such lines exist on the Earth. So it is clear that these divisions between the different countries do not exist actually. They were made by man. On the earth, when we throw something up, it comes down. When we throw a ball up in the air, it falls back. We are able to catch it. Here on the earth, we don't keep floating around because the earth pulls us with its force of attraction called gravitational force. This force doesn't exist in space, so everything floats there. Here are some examples to prove the existence of gravitational force. When we fill a glass or a bucket with water, it stays there. It doesn't float around in blobs on Earth as it occurs in space. Sunita Williams went 360 kilometers away from the Earth in the spaceship. In space there is zero gravity or no gravity, so her hair kept standing. But on the earth, due to this gravitational pull, the children always slide down the slide and they do not slide up. The water flows downwards from the mountains. Now let's know some facts about the moon. This picture of the earth has been clicked from the surface of the moon. Observe the surface of the moon here. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. A satellite is the heavenly body that revolves around the planet. As the moon revolves around the planet Earth, it is the satellite of the earth. We see the moon in different shapes on different nights. If it is a full moon tonight, it will be a crescent or half moon after a week, and after 15 days there will be no moon at all. A full moon night is called Purnima, and when there is no moon, it is called new moon or Amavasya. It takes 15 days from Purnima to Amavasya, and then again 15 days from Amavasya to next Purnima. So it is a month-long cycle from one Purnima to the next Purnima, or from one Amavasya to the next Amavasya. In our country, Many festivals are associated with the moon. Let us see some examples here. Guru Purnima and Raksha Bandhan, Festival of Colors, Holi, and the Festival of Lights, Diwali. The festival Eid, the festival Karwa Chauth, etc. And there are many man-made satellites also, which are sent by scientists from the earth for different purposes like weather forecasting, telecommunications, and live telecast through TVs and radios. On a clear night, if you look at the sky carefully, you could also see an artificial satellite moving slowly. We could also see planets like Venus and Mercury. Venus is also known as an evening or morning star because it can be clearly seen in the evening or in the early morning. And we can also see constellations. What are constellations, student? Constellations are the group of stars which make a particular shape. Here are the two constellations we can see on a clear night are Orion and Saptarishi. Occasionally, we could see a shooting star. They are meteorites. They are the rock particles that move in space. But as soon as they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they catch fire due to the presence of air in the atmosphere. They are called shooting stars and create a beautiful view. That's all in this chapter. So children, thank you and bye bye.